Well, Ravi, Rohit, Benita, Vinita.
Yes, you're audible, Shekhar.
Yeah, okay, great. Okay, let me share my screen. I hope you can see my screen now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Hey, thank you for confirmation. Before going for Microsoft Azure, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar, having around 17 years of experience on Microsoft technologies, currently working as a Azure AI solution architect. Okay, so this is my self introduction. So before going for Microsoft Azure, just I want to let you know something about how the data is transforming from on-premises to cloud. Okay, how the data is transforming from on-premises to cloud. Okay, first thing is on-prem to Azure cloud. So or else any cloud it would be. Okay, so on top of the cloud, how we can implement AI solutions. Okay, so this is the architecture. You know, right, nowadays everyone they are generating massive amount of the data that is stored in cloud platform itself. Okay, yeah, next. First thing is what is the IT? What is the IT infrastructure? Anyone guys, any idea? What is the IT infrastructure? Very simple. IT infrastructure is nothing but collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. Am I right? I am repeating. What is the IT infrastructure? It is collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer is called IT infrastructure. Okay. So to maintain our own IT infrastructure, we required what? Data center. Okay, we require data center. See, this is the IT infrastructure. We have n number of devices all together communicated to switch. This is the router, firewall. This is the network, database, hardware systems, server rack. Okay, all together should communicate to what? Data center. Okay, what is the data center? Very simple. Data center is a heart of the organization. If you go for TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, any company in the world, they have their own data center. Okay, so this is the exact picture of data center. See, to maintain our own data center, it is not a small task. We have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. This is the major challenge at this moment in the IT industry. Okay, so actually to maintain our own data center, first thing we have to design the infrastructure, we have to purchase the land, construct the data center as per rules and regulation and guidelines provided by government, and also we have to maintain data secure and safe. Also we have to maintain high level security. Got it? So even though if you have 20 plus years of experience in IT industry, you are not allowed into enter to the data center. Why? Because there would be sensitive data. Got it? So apart from that, operational cost to maintain the data center, it is high, very, 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 very high. Assume that I got one new project where I would like to buy or where I would like to man or purchase the 5 servers. I mean not purchase, create 5 servers. So what should we do? We should submit the request to data center team. Data center team will verify the space. Once space is available, they will rack the space. Second thing is install and configure the OS. Third thing, configure the networking. Fourth thing, install the all monitoring tools. Fifth thing, just verify this server has been built with compliance, industry standard compliance, and what is that? Organization standard compliance and all. So once we have verified, we have to submit the server to development team. All these process it will take minimum worst case 10 days. Okay, so in order to deliver these 5 servers, we have to maintain Windows team, networking team, firewall team, next database team, next monitoring team, next what is that? to check all these check like industry standard compliance or not, then we required what? Many resources are required. So here it is taking lot of time, lot of budget to fulfill the project requirement. Due to that, entire IT industry has been moved to cloud computing, guys. As you know that already, now 90% of data it is maintained in Azure cloud itself. Okay, you know, right? Even mostly government data also what? They are maintaining in cloud itself. Okay, you know, right? Israel, total government data they are maintaining in Azure cloud computing itself. Okay, yeah, next. Now, this is about what? Data center history. Now, to manage, to reduce the cost, entire IT industry moved to cloud computing. What is the cloud, guys? Anyone? It is a generic term, right? What is the cloud? Very simple. Cloud is nothing but collection of remote services. What we can call it as collection of remote services and access them over the internet is called cloud computing. Nowadays, you have one cloud account, one internet connectivity. Third one is if you have one laptop, that's it. You can start our own business, develop and deploy the application in cloud infrastructure in fraction of minutes. We can make it available for public, right? So this is about what? Cloud uses and features. Now, see, the data has been migrated into cloud computing. That is what cloud definition. Very simple. What is the cloud? It is collection of remote services and access them over the internet is called cloud. Okay, you know, right? 90% of data nowadays it is what? In the cloud computing itself. For example, our personal data as well. See, we are using WhatsApp, we are using Instagram, we are using Facebook. So almost all personal data also what? Meta, these are all managed by Meta. They have their own data centers. So your personal data also what? With corporate data centers itself. Okay, so it is exchanging. So what does that mean? Every day we are generating on an average one person they are generating worst case 1 GB data. Okay, entire world just assume that these three products they are using in their mobile center, where they are storing the data in cloud itself. The moment data is storing in the cloud, then we can go on. What is that? Implement AI ML models, and you can extract the data. Okay, so I will give you one best example. See, you have like last 10 years, your images, photos, okay, your selfies every day in the Google, what is that? Drive and all. So now I would like to filter wherever I am in happy face. So generally we cannot bring it. By using AI, we can filter and bring the what? Images where you are happy. Like you are in trip, you are in happy with your colleagues, happy with your friends, happy with your family members, then it will pull and display. Where exactly we can implement AI ML. That is the small, what is that? Usage. Okay, yeah, next. So at this moment, the data is moved to cloud computing. Now, why should I go for cloud? Why should I go for Microsoft Cloud? Especially, what is the Microsoft Azure Cloud? Very simple. Microsoft Azure Cloud is a comprehensive set of cloud services. Okay, where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the applications through global network data centers. What is that? Through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. So why Microsoft Azure is first thing, Microsoft Azure has many data centers. Like around 140 countries, 60 plus regions, Microsoft has their own data centers. No other company has that many data centers. Microsoft is the first what is that global organization which maintain these many data center. Second one is AWS. Third one is Meta and Google. Okay, yeah. So this is about what? The power of Azure Cloud Computing. I am repeating, what is the Azure Cloud? Azure Cloud is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the application through global network data centers is called Microsoft Azure. Okay, coming to India, in India we have three data center from Microsoft end. What are they, guys? Which are the locations? One is Chennai. Come on, Mumbai. Other one is Pune. There is a fourth data center in Hyderabad. They are going to launch maybe end of 2026. That is the plan. As of now, it is in not live. Got it. So, what does it mean? That is the power of Azure cloud computing. Now, in cloud, generally they are managing as PaaS, SaaS. Okay, infrastructure as a service, platform as a services, software as a services. Okay, infrastructure as a service means generally infrastructure they are providing, and the installation, configuration, management, deployment, patching activity, that all you have to take care. Okay, so that is under control by us, right? That is what infrastructure as a services. Coming to the platform as a service, so this is the powerful nowadays, and they are providing ready-made environment. They are providing ready-made environment. So you can use as this. They are providing ready-made environment. On top of it, you can go and deploy whatever application you want. So here you need not worry about installation, configuration, management, everything. Okay. So infrastructure part and runtime environment, they will take care. Only you have to deploy the application. So best thing is all Azure AI services, they are following PaaS. Okay, assume that you have one AI application, or you have ML model, or you have what some deep learning, you have agentic AI application, you have what agent applications, you have generative AI applications, whatever you have developed, go on just deploy it. Okay, you know, right? Generally to deploy any AI application, what type of processes are required? Can anyone tell me, guys? Can I go and deploy my AI application on top of my laptop, which they are using CPU? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me? Can I go and deploy my AI application on top of my laptop, which we are using CPU? CPU means Central Process Unit. Praveen, Ravi, Rohit.
We require a GPU.
Yes, exactly. 100%. Okay, GPU is required. Okay, GPU. What is that? Graphical Process Units. Do you know which company it is very popular to develop it? CPU, you know, right? Intel, AMD processors are there. AMD companies are there to generate it. So GPU, to
NVIDIA,
generate the GPU chips and all, it is very, very popular company in the market is what?
NVIDIA is there?
Yes, NVIDIA. This is the topmost one. They are developing the, what is the GPU chips. Okay, so if you deploy any AI application on top of NVIDIA, what is that process and all, the performance is very, 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 very good, super fast. That's why last 4 years, you know, right? Nvidia is the most valuable company in the world. This is the top one valuable company in the world. All of a sudden came into the picture. Okay. Now, who is the top one company in the market is Nvidia only. Second is Microsoft, I can say. Clear. Earlier, Microsoft is the top ones. Last 5 digits are Nvidia, Google, what is that? Apple and all there. Now they are fluctuation in between these three companies. Okay, yeah, next. So here Microsoft they are providing the what is that? Global infrastructure, global class infrastructures to deploy, manage AI applications. So all these things are comes under PaaS. So what does that mean? You have developed one ML application. Okay, to deploy it, Microsoft directly you can go and create one compute resources with GPU. Directly you can go and deploy it. Creating the GPU just it will take a minute, not more than that. Okay, creating one compute resources. Here compute resources means AKS cluster, compute, serverless component or some other thing we can create within fraction of a minute. On top of it, you can go and deploy your AI ML applications. So deployment of the application, there are many ways. Directly you can drag and drop the application. Second one is you can process using DevOps pipeline. Third one is what? You can do using GitHub Actions. Okay, GitHub Actions. Microsoft fourth one, they have implemented code space. What is that? Code space. Okay, if you go for code space, run the AZ model, then automatically it will go on deploying app services. You need not have to worry about it. It is fully automated, which Microsoft has provided. Okay, yeah. Next, coming to the SaaS, you know, right? Total M365 component comes under SaaS. Under M365, we have Microsoft Teams, Outlook, okay, OneDrive. Next, Microsoft Word, Excel, PPT, okay, documents. Next, Microsoft 365. I can say Microsoft Hammer, Microsoft SharePoint, okay, Microsoft Power BI, Power Automation, okay, Power BI, Power Automation, Power Apps. These are part of what? M365. M365 belongs to SaaS. Okay. So this is about what? Overview of what is the on-premises data, how it is migrated into the cloud. The moment when there is a data in the cloud, how we can manipulate it. Okay. Now, why should I go for AI, guys? Anyone, guys, can anyone tell me why should I go for AI? Anyone? So if something, please remember, global term is when something new technology into the come into the market, that is for cost saving, guys, for corporate organizations. Okay, always cost saving. Okay, second one is what? Reduce the human power, reduce the human resources. Okay, third one is what? Performance. Okay, 24 by 7, they can provide what is that? Better productivity. So you know, right, we are also working 24 by 7 shifts and all. So will you able to provide the productivity after 12 o'clock? Good. No, right? So 12, after 12 o'clock, maybe we'll go for sleeping mode. So maybe if some customer come and ask something, then we may not provide that much productivity. Okay, so if here AI/ML they are providing 24 by 7 with 100%, what is that? Productivity. Okay, that's why most of the companies they are investing more and more and more on AI. So they are leaving the people that amount they are investing on AI. That is the trend nowadays it is going on. Okay, yeah, next. So, what are the challenges currently all organization they are facing? One is what? Human power. Okay, second one is what? Cost. Okay, yeah, third one is 24 by 7 effective support. Fourth one is what? And there is a less, what is that? Human power. If you go and observe here, any industry, okay, let me close to agriculture. If you go for automotive industry, I mean mobile industry, I mean what is that? Automobile industry, banking sector, especially banking sector. You go and ask any sector out of this, is there any, what is that, enough resources are there, human power is there or not? They will say no, people are not coming, there is a demand for what is that, human resources. So when someone come and asking about that, they are asking for more salary and more and all. So in order to avoid all these situations, most of the companies they started implementing AI. Okay, AI it will remove the complete human errors. It will remove the complete human errors. I will tell you, my colleague he is working as a bank manager in SBI. I am telling Nellore. What he did no, I think 1 month back. So he transferred the funds. Assume that one customer they issued the check to transfer the 3 lakhs rupees from his colleague account or relative account. What he did no, last digit instead of entering 3, they have entered the 8, then funds is transferred to some other guy accidentally. Okay, this is the human error. Due to that 3 lakhs rupees he lost, that amount has been credited to like Kolkata one guy. If we call and ask them, then they are unable to return, they draw the amount, used it. So that is the human error. Finally, so that bank manager spent that amount from his pocket and clear that balance. That is different story. Okay, so to avoid such kind of human errors and all, 100% banking sector move to AI implementation, guys. Okay, generally, if you issue one checkbook now, assume that one check you have issued to transfer the fund 10,000 rupees to your colleague or relative's account, then what will happen? It will take 24 hours. You know, right? First, bank manager check source account details and destination account details. Once verification is completed, then we will start sending the funds. Mostly it will take 24 hours. When you implement AI, they can scan the check automatically. It will initiate the workflow. It will go and approve it automatically if everything details are correct. Then funds would be transferred max within 5 to 10 minutes. So 24 hours is time is saving. Got it? So this is about what? Where exactly we can implement AI. Okay, what are the current challenges where we can implement? Okay, what are the current challenges are facing by organization today? Okay, yeah, what are the challenges? Labor shortage. Okay, too much data. See, if you see, you know, right? Best example, nowadays 90% of data with WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Am I right? So when there is a data, I can go and play the games with AI. I can extract the data. So when personal data is there in three, what is that products? Now when I implement ML and AI solution, no, assume that there are elections in AP or Telangana. Now I want to predict which party may be ruling. Assume that there are XYZ and ABC, two parties are there. Now assume that you have shared one image related to XYZ party logo. I have shared ABC image party logo. So when you implement what is that AIML, I can predict maybe which party can ruling. I can at least predict 60 to 70%. 100%. Why? Because most of the people they are implementing what? Either they are transferring the data WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram Reels under. Okay, so where exactly we will implement AI solution? That is the one. That's what. See, when there is a too much data, AI can analyze large data set quickly, insight and patterns predicts prediction. Okay, if you observe last time when there is a AP election happened, I think one or two companies they totally implemented AI solution and predict the what is that insights which party may be ruling under. Okay, yeah. Next, this is what high customer expectation. Nowadays, if you visit any organization, any bank, any sector, customer is expecting the work should be complete in fraction of seconds. People doesn't have even 10 minutes time to wait. Okay, so that is in we are in situation. So that case what? Better solution to implement AI. Cyber security threats. Okay, operational inefficiencies, regular complaints. So where exactly we can implement AI? 100% where AI will meet the what is that? Non-negotiable complaints. Okay, 100% they will follow the complaints. Clear? Yeah. So this is about what? What are the challenges are there currently organizations are facing where we can implement AI? Okay. Next, now you people tell me guys, what is the AI? You know, right? Artificial intelligence is a, like a generic term nowadays. Going forward, again, it is again, very generic term. Now you people tell me what is the artificial intelligence? So far, what we discussed about how the data is transforming from on-premises to cloud. Second one is what? Why I should go for only Azure cloud? Okay. Third one is what are the challenges currently IT or organizations are facing the issues. Then now fourth one is what? Why should I go for AI? Okay. Yes. Now fifth one is what is the AI? What is the AI? Now you people tell me guys. Very simple.
See, it is not simple term is well listening. It's not a human intelligence. The intelligence is brought by machines and software.
Okay, very good. Wonderful. Exact definition. See, to remember artificial intelligence definition, you can remember Robo movie, guys. You know, right? Rajnikant Robo movie 1.0, 1.0, 2.0 is there. Am I right? So what does that mean? By look at this robo, what is that? Machines will think, learn, and act as a like a human is called what is that? Artificial intelligence. Very simple, guys. Okay, if you go for Robo movie, Rajnikant they developed one Robo that is the mission. They make it as think, learn, and act as a human is called what is that? Artificial intelligence. So there in the movie, based on Rajinikanth directions, he started cooking, he started driving the car, he started even they are doing cesarean for what is that, females under. So what does that mean? We are making missions enable, think, learn, and act as a human is called artificial intelligence. I'm always telling what is the artificial intelligence. If you don't know the definition, just remember immediately Robo movie. That's it. Okay, Robo is the mission. It will think, learn, act like a human is called, what is that? Artificial intelligence. So based on Rajnikant voice comments, the robo will act. One time they will cook the food, another time they will drive the car. Okay, third one is like they can deliver the cesareans and or something operations under. Okay, so that is what artificial intelligence. Very simple. What is the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, it help to resolve the real world challenges faced by industries and individuals. Okay, where machines enables think, learn, act like a human is called artificial intelligence. In other words, simply we can say it is a simulation of human intelligence is called artificial intelligence, guys. Simulation or imitation of artificial intelligence. Okay, yeah, next. So, what it does? See, it will solve the complex problems. It will solve the complex problems. Okay, make smarter and decision using the data. Okay, save the time and reduce the manual work. So trust me, another 5 years, every home will contain one robo. 100% I am giving. Just you can think it. After 5 years, the robo cost minimum it would be 5 to 7 lakhs. Okay, what will happen now when you purchase the robo in our home? So it will observe each and everything whatever we are performing. So next time onwards, if you provide the direction, automatically it will do. If you ask, go and bring one glass of water, yes, it will do. Okay, if someone come into your home, the robot will be visit. Like, hey, how are you? Welcome to the home. Like that is smart way it will provide the what is that? The words under. Okay, it will happen. Just wait for minimum 5 years. Then every home will have one robot. Okay, yeah. Next, improve accuracy and reduce the human error. That is what here it is saying. Okay, stay ahead and business or industry. Okay, so this is about what? Where exactly we will implement artificial intelligence. Okay, yeah. Why should I move to AI? I said right, speed and accuracy. Okay, 24 by 7 operations, cost saving, personalization, better decision making, and a competitive advantage. You know, right? If you go for any sector like IT, banking, industry sector, art, and any business, okay, food court business or any what is that? Any business, there is a heavy competitive. Okay, and where exactly how we can implement our smart digital solution and grow up. Okay, yeah, next. And now, where exactly we can implement AI? Not only in one sector, every sector now AI is the part. Okay, automation, customer support, okay, predictive analysis, image and recognitions, natural language processing, data analysis. Okay, in all these areas, we can implement artificial intelligence. Clear? Okay, yeah, great. Now, this is about what? Artificial intelligence architecture. Remember, artificial intelligence is a tree. Artificial intelligence is a tree. One tree, one branch is what? ML. Another branch is what? NLP. Okay, when you go for ML, under ML is a what? Sub branch is deep learning. Under deep learning, we have what? Generative AI. Okay, assume that AI is the one tree, one branch is ML, and deep learning is subset of ML. Generative AI is subset of deep learning. Got it? What is the Gen AI, guys? Gen AI, generative AI, generate new content which is not available present in the industry is called generative AI. Okay, so it will generate what is that? New text. It will generate the new images. It will generate the new video, audio. Okay, which is not already present in the industry. That is what generative AI. Okay, yeah, next. Now, there are two types of AI. One is what is that? Narrow AI, general AI. Okay, narrow AI also we can call it as weak AI. Specify is performing single task. Okay, best example, Alaska is there, right? Alaska. So when you take the remote, okay, hey Alaska, open the Amazon Prime, then it will open. Hey Alaska, play some musical songs. It will go and open the YouTube and play the songs. Okay, next, hey Alaska, go and switch off the TV means automatically it will perform. What does it mean? Based on your voice command, based on your introduction, based on your instructions, it will perform the activity is called what? Narrow AI. I mean, weak AI. Okay, so strong AI in the sense uh, it will perform intellectual tasks. Okay, what is that? Intellectual task what human can do. Okay, it is in still research. It is going further. Okay, yeah, next. Now, here, see guys, this is the AI. Already our Telangana government, they have implemented in COVID 2020. If you observe AI based, see, face mask violation enforcement is being rolled out by police, TS police, leveraging computer vision and deep learning technique, being implemented surveillance of CCTVs across the cities. This is the first kind of in India, shall be enabled shortly across three commissionerate in Hyderabad. Hyderabad cyber city something is there, right? This. So why they have implemented is to check in COVID period, whoever not wearing the mask and just they are roaming in the city, they imposed the fine 100 rupee. If we can remember, COVID time 2021. Okay, so the Telangana Police Department they have announced whoever is not wearing the mask and traveling by bike, cars and all, so they try to impose the fine for 100 rupees per person. I hope you can remember. Okay, so how they can do that? So they are observing what is that? All these things through CC cameras. In CC cameras, they implemented artificial intelligence. This is the one service, deep learning and what is that? Computer vision. Through that, based on it is the visualization data. Am I right? It is the visualization data. Okay, based on this visualization data, they are tracking and identify the persons and impose the what fines. Okay, mostly they implemented like marts, supermarkets, okay, and wine shops, bar and restaurant. They have a CC cameras and implemented, guys. This is the one. Total city they have implemented. Okay, yeah. Next, how does it work? See, guys, any AI application only three factors are there. AI application will work on three factors. One is data. Your data would be stored in where is that? That is up to you. Your data would be stored in storage account in in cloud, maybe SQL Server, maybe Cosmos DB, maybe some other data source, maybe some your local on-premises data. Data would be stored somewhere, or maybe your data in cloud computing. On top of it, algorithm. What is the algorithm, guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the algorithm? Data, algorithm, compute power. These three keywords for AI ML. What is the algorithm? Anyone?
Programming logic.
Yeah, very good. Correct. So algorithm is nothing but set of rules and regulations and guidelines and what is that? Compliance. Am I right? Okay, according to that, it should work. Best example, you will know load balancer is there. Load balancer. Load balancer, they have implemented round robin algorithm. So assume that there are two virtual machines are there. Okay, two virtual machines are there. Now, based on the load, my traffic should be routed to either server 1 or server 2. Assume that server 1 running 9 requests, server 2 is running like 10 requests. So when another request came into the picture, my load balancer should be routed to the VM where it is handling less requests. So that is what algorithm. Algorithm in the sense set of rules and regulations and guidelines and complaints. According to that, it should work. Rules, I can say. Okay, here data, algorithm, other one is what? Compute power. Here compute power we can implement, what is that? Using CPU. What is that? CPU. Other one is what? GPU, guys. Mostly currently we are using. CPU is the legacy. GPU is the latest version, latest process they are using to build, deploy, manage and access the AI solutions. Okay. Yeah, so this is about what? Data, algorithm and compute power. Okay, here algorithms are what? On top of it, we will have ML models. On underlying of model, we have n number of algorithms. Okay, I will let you know. I will make you understand clearly what is the algorithm under. So where exactly we will implement? Okay, now AI is landing into every sector, guys. No sectors are left. Okay, where did not implement AI. AI is implementing each and every sector nowadays. So healthcare related, finance, retail, automobile industry, education, marketing, and entertainment. Okay, entertainment means Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Geo Hotstar, G5 and all. They have implemented AI. Okay, yeah. Next, what are the benefits of AI? What are the benefits of AI, guys? Nowadays, if any technology someone ask about what is the use of this one, simply we can say save the cost. That's it. Cost saving. What is that? Generic term is cost saving. Okay. Yeah. Now see automation, accuracy, faster decision, personalization, cost saving. Reduce the labor cost, increase the productivity. Okay, now future of AI. What is the future of AI? AI and human both together will work going forward. Clear? Yeah, next. Now, see, that's what. Human AI collaboration in the workspace, advanced medical AI early diseases detection, self-running AI improves the without human input, ethical AI built-in fairness and transparency. Okay, these are all what is that feature of AI. Okay, yeah. Next, as he said, all AI application it contain four layers. One is data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, application layer. Okay, AI it contain what? Main component, AI architecture and main components of AI is what? Data layer, algorithm layer, processing layer, application layer. Okay, so this is about what? Advantage of AI. Okay, now why Microsoft Azure AI? You know, right? We have Meta AI, we have Google, Gemini AI, AWS AI, Saga Maker, something is there. Okay, and there are many hundreds and hundreds of AI tools are there in the market. Okay, let it be. Now there are three competitor. One is what? Microsoft. Second one is Google. Third one is what? AWS. Okay. Yeah, and OpenAI already they have integrated both Microsoft and OpenAI together. They are developing the solution. Assume that that is the one part. Okay, out of this AI race, who is the major? What is that? Competitor in the market. First thing is Microsoft, guys. Okay, Microsoft Azure AI. We can call it as Microsoft Azure AI. Why Microsoft Azure AI? Why should I choose only this one? Not, right? Google also there in the race. Okay. AWS, they did not came up with their own product and all. Still, they are developing and giving the Saga Maker something. But why Microsoft is? Microsoft came up with one beautiful solution called Copilot, guys. Copilot. Right? Most of the organizations already purchasing the Copilot in the organization. Okay, Microsoft Copilot is the revolution in the market. I cannot say going forward, your performance evaluation also will be happen through Copilot only. Okay, so what it does now, if you implement, so it will evaluation of about your performance in the sense it will give you the analysis, provide the positive and negative statement from the customer. Okay, that all it will evaluate and provide the performance. At this moment, yes, our managers are evaluating our performance and giving the rating accordingly, right? Going forward, Copilot will what is that? Provide the analysis and performance evaluation. Okay, so assume that you have one company. Okay, 100 members are there. Now you implemented what? Copilot. Now this year hike percentage, hike you allocated for what? 1 crore rupees for your employees. Okay, then if you give the statement query, my budget is 1 crore. Okay, implement this hike rate based on performance. Then Copilot will analyze. It will go and verify sentiment analysis of customer and your active in the system. Okay, what you are browsing, what you are searching, you are you trying to gear up your skills or not. Okay, it will implement each and everything, give the performance analysis, guys. Okay, for example, assume that you have sent out an email, a resolution step your customer. Your customer said that, hey, I am not happy with your resolution steps. Please provide more accuracy. So this is the sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis means maybe customer is not happy at this moment. That also it will consider. That also it will consider. Clear. So like whatever you have completed, it will track about your emails, it will track about customers appreciation, it will track about your manager appreciation, it will track about each and everything, whatever the chart you are doing in the teams, it will evaluate everything, it will give the performance rating. Okay, so that is the power of what is that? Copilot. Okay, you know, right? I just Copilot Microsoft integrated with each and every product. Okay, so they have integrated with browser, they have integrated with M365 components like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, everywhere. Okay, they have integrated with Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform, they have integrated with each in even all the devices, guys, all the devices. Okay, so that is about what? Power of Copilot. Okay, where exactly Microsoft boom up to increase the productivity for existing enterprise grade applications, enterprise grade industries, premium customers are everything. Okay, yeah, so this is about what? Microsoft Azure AI platform. So what is the Microsoft Azure AI? See, Azure AI is a Microsoft comprehensive cloud-based platform where we can build, deploy, manage AI applications is called Microsoft Azure AI. So they are implementing AI models and tools and services. Okay, so one thing is Microsoft came up with one beautiful product called Azure AI Foundry, guys. Azure AI Foundry. Okay, it is beautiful and most important powerful AI cloud-based web applications, guys. Okay, I can say it is unified platform. Unified platform. Okay, where they are providing all cloud models, all cloud AI ML models. AI ML models. Okay, I can see, right? Meta came up with which models? Llama. Am I right? Meta, sorry, spell mistake. Meta came up with what? Llama models. LLAMA. Llama means large language meta AI. Okay. Microsoft came up with what? Pi model. Now recently, just day before yesterday, they introduced Microsoft AI models. MAI means Microsoft. M means Microsoft. AI means artificial intelligence. They implemented two models. Okay, you know, right? Microsoft, they implemented two models. You know, Microsoft and OpenAI collaboratively, they are launching the models. Okay, GPT is a very powerful Chat GPT. Okay, latest version is Chat GPT 5 version, GPT version 5. Okay, yeah, next. Anthropic. What is that? Anthro Anthropic. They came up with what? Cloud model. Okay. Next, Mistral, Mistral model, Hugging Face. Okay, Hugging Face. Next, we have many models are there. Microsoft, Anthropic, Mistral, OpenAI. Uh, Another thing is there. Almost. I'm unable to recollect that name. That is Paris company. Hmm. Mistral, Hugging Face, Anthropic, Microsoft, Meta. Okay, Google, they have not provided the option to deploy. Yeah, so around most of the yeah, another one is Grok, you know, right? Grok, I forgot. Grok, Elon Musk. Okay, so all these models they are make it available in Azure AI Foundry. You people can go and deploy whatever the model it is suitable for your industry and organization and project, then use it. Okay, no other cloud providers are there to provide unified platform or all-in-one AI platform to deploy various types of what is that models developed by various companies in the world. Okay, so AI Foundry, still Microsoft investing billions and billions of dollars. Okay, to bring all the services into one centralized location, guys. That's why Microsoft Azure AI is very, very, very powerful in the market. Okay, yeah, next. Now, see, Microsoft Azure AI is a what? Cloud-based artificial intelligence platform where we can build, deploy, access the AI models is called Azure AI. Next, another important thing is they have provided pre-built AI models. Pre-built means directly which can be integrated with your application. You need not write the code. Okay. Another thing is Microsoft here provided low code. What is that? Low code. Other one is what? No code. Third one is full code AI models. Whichever you want, you can go and deploy it. Okay. So with no code, we can also go for ML labs. What is that? Machine learning operations. You can design the workflows and deploy into cloud. Okay. Yeah. Next, that is the power of Microsoft Azure AI. Got it? Yeah, next. See, what are the major component of Azure AI is Azure AI services, pre-built models, Azure Cognitive Services ready to use these APIs, vision, speech, language, decision making. Okay, yeah, next. This is the one. So, what are the benefits of Azure AI? See, benefits of Azure AI is seamless integration, scalable and secure infrastructure, access tools, responsibilities of AI. You know, right? Most of the governments they are implementing AI. Like I can say, UK government, US federal government, Indian most of India also there are multiple projects, okay, which are running in Azure cloud itself. Next, Israel and Japan, Germany, China, okay, most of the government projects they are already moved to what Azure cloud computing and implementing on top of it what AI solutions. Okay, yeah, next. See, this is the AI system architecture. Data input and processing, model training and evaluation, and interface and decision making and feedback loops, guys. Feedback loops. This is the AI system architecture. Okay. Yeah. Next. So where exactly using our AI is Azure AI is chatbot virtual assistants, image and video analysis. Okay. Speech recognition, predictive analysis, healthcare product. Okay, this is important. Computer vision, guys, this is the one. Computer vision. Best example I will let you know. Assume that we have visited one DMart. Okay, DMart, right? Kids are sometimes they will take small chocolate and they will have it automatically. Assume that if you give the analysis of that video, then whoever what is that taking the chocolate and eating it, so it will analyze when same person visits same what is that AI DMart branch and all. then it will detect, oh, this guy last time visited and taken one chocolate and have it. Okay, so it will detect and provide the image particular person and it will alert the management, oh, that guy is entered again. Then they will start monitoring. Okay, so that is what video and image analysis, guys, where exactly we will implement computer vision one topic. Okay, yeah, next. So this is about what? Compute power. Compute power AI solutions, you can deploy it in CPU, central processing unit, GPU, graphic process units, and TPU, guys, tensor process unit. So at this moment, very boom is GPU and graphical and parallel computing, high level parallelism, and gaming and video AI rendering. So TP is again high cost, guys, 100% high cost it is. You have to spend entire amount from your pocket. Then you can expect performance also in such way that. Okay. So this is about what? AI. Clear? So this is the overview of what is the AI and what is the Azure AI. Why should I go for Azure AI? What are the advantages of the Azure AI, which I have defined. Okay. Here, Microsoft providing 3 certification papers, guys, totally. How many? 3 papers. Okay. One is AI 10, AI 900. I am really sorry. AI 900. This is Azure AI fundamentals. Okay. Second one is AI 102. Okay. So this is Azure AI engineer. Okay. Third one is DP 10100, guys. DP 100. They are providing data science. Data science. Okay. In Azure, they are providing data science in Azure. Okay. DP 100 is what? Data science in Azure. Okay. These are the three. What is that? They are providing data scientist. We can call it as, right. That is one. This is fully mostly what? ML only, guys. They have provided ML Studio. Okay, they have provided ML Studio. Using ML Studio, we can create the workflows. We can create the workflows with no code, and they have provided designer. Okay, with low code. Okay, they have provided Anaconda Jupyter. Okay, Anaconda Jupyter and Visual Studio Code to develop fully code. Okay, here mostly we will use, what is that? Microsoft suggesting C# and Python. Okay, but Python, I cannot say this is total powerful, guys. In total Azure AI and ML, almost 60 to 70% they are implementing Python itself. Okay. Yeah, this is overview of what is that Azure AI. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. Any queries, any doubts?
Do we need to do full stack Python?
Full stack Python. Yeah, I will see. I am covering these two, guys. Okay, little bit in data science, data scientist. Okay, 50% I will cover. Full focusing on AI 900 and 102. So I will cover total Python basics. Okay, whatever Python is required for these two, no, I will cover. So all basic Python I will cover. Basic. Okay, other one is NumPy model, NumPy and Pandas are there, right? Pandas. These two are important library. Okay, for our Azure AI solutions, I will cover basic total Python NumPy pandas, and I will cover why, because NumPys and pandas are mandatory to develop the code in Azure. So here, uh, roles and responsibilities are about what? Manage, deploy, and access the troubleshooting. Okay, all these things should be done by Azure AI engineer. Okay, so total Python in the sense, then you can become as a core developer. Okay, so you have to come from scratch. Each and everything should be import and develop. Now, such kind of development is not there. Mostly, whatever existing, see, I can say 12,000 models they have deployed in Azure. Out of them, directly you can use something customization are required. You can modify the code existing one. That's it. So developing the solution from the scratch, now it is not happened. Why? Because there are cloud models, there are growth models, there are GPT models, there are Microsoft Pi models, Gemini AI models, many already there. Whatever industry is looking for, already they have developed the models. Now you would like to integrate with these models with your custom applications. If any customization are there as per your industry standard, and do that. That's it. Okay, so developing each and everything from the scratch, again, that is high cost. Okay, that kind of solutions are very, very, very low, guys, at this moment.
Okay, so maybe in future we may need if we have to develop our own model for our company.
Yes, that Python is enough.
Alright. So we can do these two certifications after your course.
100% you can get certified these two. Okay, so AI 900 is mandatory, guys. Some people will say, can I go directly? Yes, you can go, but it is not good. Why? Because we are in starting stage, right? So first you have to go for AI 900 102. So after 102, you can point it out DP 100, DP 100. Okay, this is what data science. You can target this one. Okay, for these two bases, this is the one AI 900. Okay, so this is the overview.
So
Go
I have
on.
a I have a
Yeah,
question.
yes.
So after this course, will I be able to understand the things how this is getting configured? Because in my current project they have uses the this Azure AI, but I'm not able to understand how they are pulling this data and how they have configured it, right?
Yes, correct, correct. Yeah,
So
I know most of the project now started implementing AIs, guys. We are seeing the solutions, right? Uh,
so will I be able to do the same how
yes,
others
yes,
have implemented
yes.
the things? Means
Yes, correct. I am going to target about AI Foundry only mostly, and cognitive services. How we can call them their APIs, how we can integrate with our applications and all. That's what. So that's what. Still, Microsoft, no, they are investing billions and billions and billions of dollars in Azure AI Foundry only. They are trying to bring one solution for everything. That's what, guys.
also, can you share the roadmap how we are going to cover the topics? Means
Yeah. So tomorrow I am going to show you what are the topics which I am going to cover for entire this, what is that course? Okay. I will give you total roadmap. What are the topics are there AI 900, and what are the topics are there 10200? I will share that syllabus. Yeah.
okay. And what will be the duration that you will be taking?
Yeah. 2 months, guys. 2 months we will target about total.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So Monday to Friday is the sessions. Saturday, based on your availability, my availability, we will go on Saturday as well.
And any hands-on experience we will be getting? What is
Yeah, I am going to show you each and everything is what practical sessions, guys. I will give you, there is a N and 8 and a long chain. These are the frameworks of AI. I will cover one project using N88, N8N. Have you heard about it? N8N. Other one is what? Long chain. Long chain is the what? Frameworks, AI related frameworks. Using them, how we can build, deploy one project, AI applications on AI Foundry. That I will show you.
Hello?
okay?
Okay. Yeah.
So, okay. So this course is for Azure AI engineer, and it is different from Azure solution architect, right?
Solution architect, that is 304, right? That is cloud solution architect.
So that is a different course. This
That
does
is
not cover.
different. Yes, yes. So if you know that one, you can also tell like AI architect, we given the solution to customers, we are implementing like that, you can cover.
And this will be 7 to 8 batch, Monday to Friday.
Sorry?
7 a.m. to 8 a.m. batch, right?
Yes, 7,
Daily.
8, 7 to 8. That's it. Yeah.
Shekhar,
Thank
we
you.
have this Databricks AI also, right? So
Which one?
Databricks AI.
Databricks AI is there. That is the ETL, right? We can load the 5 sparks and develop the solution, pull it under. AI integration with Databricks. That is what.
So are we
Yeah.
going to cover that?
No, Databricks I am not. So that is totally different syllabus, guys, again.
So, so MLOps we are not covering.
Yeah, ML labs I will cover.
So MLOps is that like data preparation, data experiment, and then deploy.
Yes, exactly.
So
So there are two data sets on. Yes.
data bricks will be coming into picture, where ETL flow will can refine the datas.
That is the low code. I said, right? Low code.
So
There
are
it
we
is.
going to do that?
Yes, yes. Data and upload, data processing, and predict the values I will cover. There is a ML labs, right? That topics are comes under ML labs. There I will cover it.
So MLOps I can cover in this things.
Yes,
So that
yes.
means my expectation is like, the application is there. Now we are going to train that application through train.py and inference.py and model registry in a
Yeah,
CSV pipeline. And after that, we are going to input that data and input data and present fall walk-in data. And we have to go compare, and it has to give a prediction. That is my,
prediction. Correct,
it has to
correct,
give a prediction and suggestion. How
correct.
can we improve the application? So that is my output.
Yes,
We'll do
yes.
that.
Yes, yes. Here
Hmm.
we will upload the data sets that will be there in .csv format. Then design the different models in Canvas. Okay. Then implement the ML flows. Then it will give the output. When you pass the input, no, it will predict and provide the outputs. Okay. Here, three important topics, guys, I can say. One is regression, right? Second one is classification. Third one is time series forecasting. Okay, fourth one is NLP. Okay, fifth one, there is another thing is there. Yeah, computer vision. These are the four models are there. Underlying that, whatever you are saying, right, everything it will come. Got it?
Yeah, so at the end we can say one POC we can do it and see, like for application we can create one POC, right? And then this is the application.
Yeah, with directly that how we can integrate with the
Uh,
application, I will show you here.
so whatever be the application, and that
Yes.
application we can give a prediction and suggestion for that. So
Yes, correct,
that's
correct.
the end point.
Yes.
So whatever we are doing AWS SageMaker, we are going to do the same thing in Microsoft AI.
Yeah, SegMaker, not sure. Even I don't have idea about it.
No, it's
My
the same thing
total
only.
is
Same
yes.
thing. What we are doing here, there we are going to test the data, whatever we have
Okay.
do at an ETL flow, and then
Uh-huh.
data preparation, whatever we have trained the module and model registry, we are going to
Uh-huh.
test the same thing in
Okay.
SageMaker. That's a tool actually for AWS.
Okay.
And
Yeah, here they are providing very good AI Foundry.
right, okay.
AI Foundry, it is a beautiful and wonderful tool, and he can say one point to access everything. That's it.
So here also we are going to test the data, right? Whatever
Yes,
the
100%.
data,
Yes.
and
Without
train
testing
the
the
model.
data, why we will use AI Foundry? Waste, right?
Model registry and all, we have a model registry, we are going to test that one, and then we are going to explore it.
Yes, correct.
Deploying. Okay.
Yes,
Before.
yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Also,
Shekhar, normally this Azure rate is very costly, right? So when you take, because free license normally it gets finished within a month,
30 days, correct.
30 days.
Yeah, no alternative, guys. You should create another account or you have to migrate to pay-as-you-go model.
Yeah, pay as you go model is going very costly, right? Because
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
going,
See, after practice is over, then immediately delete the resources. That's it.
okay.
Yeah.
So,
also, how is gonna increase the weightage, right? Because of the resume, means what kind of jobs available if I complete those certifications, and how it will improve the things for me.
You can go for Naukri. So mostly Azure AI only we have, guys. Let's see. AI ML leads. Okay, manager IT services senior associate AI automation, artificial intelligence engineer. Okay, see if you observe Azure AI engineer, Azure AI copilot developer. Okay, so these are the jobs. Mostly Azure AI only will have a lot of jobs, I see.
Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, thanks.
See MS Copilot, generative AI. Many things. Seniority of experience AI ML data science expertise Python designing developing the advanced AI ML implement generative. Okay, so almost AI related only, guys. Okay, see Azure
But,
opening,
but how
Azure
how
AI.
we are going to cope up with the experience they want, right? Because we will be getting trained, we will do
Yeah,
certifications,
I will
and
give you one trick. Most of them projects are now POC, guys. Okay,
okay.
so this is the right time to enter into the AI. Okay, so if we enter into the AI and tell these technical words, no, this is maybe new for them, right, in the team.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that way we can survive. If we and this is the right time. If it is go beyond after 1 year and all, no, then again it is cracking the things and all difficult.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. To be frank, what they want to do, no, they don't know. They do not have any clarity at this moment in IT.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, because I've heard many of the companies they have hired just to
Yeah, they
keep the
are hiring
resource.
for, they
They
are
are paying.
expecting the projects on AI.
Yes,
Now
yes,
they
yes.
are mostly focusing on POCC only.
They have just hired the resources so that once
Yes,
the AI
yes.
comes and they will use this.
Yeah, nothing. So if you enter into now, they are keeping in making them on POCs only. If they are, yeah, I will stop it. Maybe. Okay. So once project is came into the picture, we are in safe, right? Now